Morning Year 6 and welcome to Thursday's reading lesson. Remember our theme for the week, electricity? So today we are going to be looking at a song called Wires by a band called Athlete. Athlete are an English indie rock band formed in Deptford, London. So first of all, I'd like you to read the poem that's in your learning packs. And then, after that, click on the YouTube link and listen to the song, Wires by Athlete. Once you've done that, unpause this video and come back for the rest of the lesson. Great, so now you've read it and listened to it, what do you think? From reading the lyrics and listening to the song once, I want you to sum up its meaning in your own words. Think about the words that have been used. What do you think's going off in this song, in this poem? You got wires going in, coming out of your skin. You got tears. I got tears, so obviously everyone's crying. Running down corridors through automatic doors, got to get to you, got to see through. I see hope is here in a plastic box. So what's that plastic box? What do you think it is? Christmas lights reflect in your eyes. And then we repeat it. There's dry blood on your wrist. Your dry blood on my fingertip. So is someone hurt? Where could this be? Again, he's running down corridors, so he's repeating it, so it's quite frantic. Got to get to you. So it's like a struggle, him running through these corridors and automatic doors. He's got to get there. It's urgent. First night of your life, curled upon your own. So first night of your life. So who's he talking about? Who are you if it's the first night of your life? You're a baby, aren't you? So where is this baby? What's going on with the baby? I see it in your eyes. You'll be all right. I see it in your eyes. So there's definitely some hope there. And then we repeat it again. Running down the corridors. Got to get to your first night of your life. So think about what the song means. Okay, so pause the video, have a think, and then come back for the rest of the lesson. Okay, so what did you guys think? Well, I'm not going to tell you the actual meaning of this song yet. We're going to answer a few more questions and I'll tell you why it was written and who it's about. So the next question is, who do you believe the singer of the song is singing to? And what situation may have led to writing this song? Again, pause the video, think about what you're writing, think about where it could be, wires going in, going out, where would you find that? People crying. Pause the video, answer the questions, and then come back for the rest of the lesson. Okay, again, I'm not going to tell you yet the answers to these questions. They'll become clear near the end of the lesson. So before we answer this question, I'll tell you about the song. The song was written by the lead singer of this band, and it was about his daughter who, when she was first born, she was rushed to intensive care. So the wires going in and out, that's the hospital, the plastic boxes, the incubator, what babies are kept in. So now you know that, I want you to think about these lyrics and explain them in your own words. You got wires going in, you got wires coming out of your skin. I see it in your eyes, you'll be all right. And I got tears that are scared of the facts. Pause the video, explain these lyrics, and then come back to discuss. So the first one, like I've just said a minute ago, wires going in, you got wires coming out of your skin. So that's all the wires that are in the hospital that the baby needs. So it could be a drip, it could be a breathing apparatus, things that are keeping the baby alive. I see it in your eyes, you'll be all right. So this is the lead singer talking to his child and seeing hope in the child's eyes that it's going to be all right. And then I got tears that are scared of the facts. So he's crying because he's scared of what could happen. He might have been given facts by the hospital or the doctor, something, the baby's life could be hanging in the balance. I wonder what you put for your answers. So what do you think the main themes of the song are, and which words or phrases make you think this? Remember, a theme is an idea of the song. So one idea could be a theme of hope, because it's got here, like, I see hope is here. I see it in your eyes, you'll be all right. So that's a theme in the song. Pause the video and see if you can identify any other themes, and make sure you say which words or phrases make you think this. Great, now you're back. I wonder what themes you thought of. So another thinking question. I've seen Christmas lights reflect in your eyes. What information does this line give the reader, and why do you think the singer chose to include it? So pause the video, answer the question, then come back to discuss. So the information this line gives us, it tells us what time of year it is. It's Christmas time. So we could have Christmas lights in the hospital. They could be from outside, could be dark, and they're reflecting in the child. Why do you think the singer chose to include it? So again, this is your opinion. I think the singer chose to include it because it's very emotive. We think of Christmas as a happy time, and this is obviously a sad experience for this singer. So I think he chose to include it just to add impact as to how he felt at the time and how it was meant to be a happy time and it wasn't. So when you listen to this song, certain aspects may cause you, the listener, to feel different emotions. What emotions might someone feel when listening to this song? And how has the singer used emotive language to make the listener feel this way? So there's a couple of parts to this question. You've got to think of emotions that you might feel when listening to it, and what language has been used to make you feel that way. So for an example, at the beginning part, when you listen to it, the listener might feel a bit upset because we've got words like making tracks. You've got tears, making tracks. So if you make tracks, it means it's leaving a mark, doesn't it? So it's kind of emphasizing the amount of tears there are. I got tears that are scared of the fact. So we know that this person is upset. So that's one emotion you might feel. And I've given the example of the language to make you feel that way. What other emotions might you feel when listening to this song? Think about how the authors use the language. Pause the video, write down your answers, and then come back and join us. So, what other emotions did you think? Again, over here, we've got hope. So that's an emotion, isn't it? And we've got, I see it in your eyes, you'll be all right. And he's repeated himself as well. Here, we've got more of a frantic emotion. So it could make you feel panicked as he's running down corridors through automatic doors. So there's another emotion. I wonder what other emotions you thought of. So your solo task for today is thinking about the themes and meanings of the song that we've discussed in the last couple of slides. And I want you to try and think of 2 other titles that could be given to this song and explain why you've chosen that as well. Why would they work? You can reference the text to help you with the answers. Okay, that's your last task for today, Year 6, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.